X, and I met Leith about 6 months ago and was introduced to what he does with the Gong sessions. Firstly, I want to say thank you so much to Leith and the amazing experiences that he was able to help me go through. The Gongs have really helped me to basically take my thoughts and my understanding of self-development and spirituality through a different path. A lot of what I do is corporate-based contract work and software development, so a lot of it is very much high-level thinking, a lot of stress every now and then, and dealing with a lot of people as well. So I have a lot of responsibilities day in, day out. The benefit of doing something like this, I found, was that it helps me to explore another side of existence, which is not to do with work, and I find that can be a challenge for me. I'm sure it is for a lot of people who may be watching this. So being able to go through the process of a Gong experience helps you to meditate, but take your meditation to another level of focus, and especially going inwardly and understanding more about yourself, more about where you may be stuck emotionally, and to be able to unravel that has helped me not only in personal life but obviously in my work as well. So really grateful to Leith, and I'm looking forward to more sessions with him over the time.
Thank you.